Hey there guys, and welcome back for today's Vlogmas video. And we're gonna do something really delicious and really naughty. So this is not healthy at all, but I promise you it will be worth it still. You want to start out with your flour in a bowl, and you can sift it if you want to. Next up, you want to add the butter in chunks. And then you quickly want to prepare a dough out of that without it getting too hot. Next up, you want to go ahead and add some sugar to that and knead it into a nice dough. Now you want to put it into a casserole tin or anything similar, and you want to spread it out evenly. You can take a fork and just stab the dough a little bit so the air bubbles can get out. And then you want to bake that with 190 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Now you want to let that cool down, and meanwhile you want to take some brown sugar, some butter, and a little bit of condensed milk. I will have all the exact measurements down below. Now you want to heat that up in a pan and let that boil for about 4 to 5 minutes. You want to make sure it doesn't burn, and it should glide off the pan quite easily, as you can see here. And then you want to put it on top of your cooled down first layer and spread it out evenly. And then you want to let this layer cool down as well for at least a couple of hours so it hardens. Last step, you want to melt some milk chocolate, and you want to spread it right on top. Distribute it evenly, and again let that cool down for a couple of hours, and then you can get into it basically. So this is quite easy. It just takes a bit of time to let all the layers cool down, but as I said, it's well worth it, super delicious, and I hope you give it a try. Bye guys!